Happy day 29. It's Monday. Gonna start the day how I always start the day, with a ginger shot. After I do my ginger shot, I like to do my super greens first thing in the morning at 2. Brooklyn's not feeling good today. That's why we're not going to kids club. So no gym again, but it's okay. The universe is keeping me from the gym for a reason. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm trusting the universe. Brooklyn's really sick, so I can't take her there. Super greens. I like to do it first thing in the morning and at night before I go to bed. So. These are actually really, really good. Open the straw. Ready for this MELISA shot? MELISA reduces belly fat, targets belly fat, also reduces hunger. Pretty amazing. Best product ever. Alright, so I'm also gonna make my tea right now, because I'm gonna sit down and get some work done while I drink my shake and my tea, because they're over there eating right now. While they're chill, I'm gonna get some work done. Options, so I got some red pepper hummus, some peanut butter, some cream cheese, some celery, and some garlic parmesan thin pretzel thingies. They're really good. So I can like dip them in. I have these 2 things to dip into these 3 things. So this is my snack. Options. It's fun. I am here again. It's their fault. I'm blaming them. So I got the toasted vanilla oat milk shaken espresso right there. It's only 140 calories. They got cake pops and water. Just beautiful. Okay, so I have this little craving, right? And I decided I'm just going to have it. I'm going to cut a banana in half. Of course, my little minion AJ is going to eat this. Beautiful. This will always be one of my favorites. I don't care if you call me old, I'm still gonna eat it. You beautiful people, it's been a long day, but I'm going to go ahead and take this. It is the Goalie Energy. 25 calories, benefits in every bite. I'm so sorry, my TV is so loud in the background. Vitamins B6, B9, and B12. Gives you a little pick-me-up, and it's like eating a piece of chocolate. I'm going to eat this now. I'm gonna save the multi for later after I eat with my husband. I'm gonna wait for him until I eat my healthy meal of the day. I'll see you guys when it's time to eat again. That's my coffee in the background. I didn't finish it. I only drank half. Probably drink it tomorrow. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. For my healthy meal, I am toasting a protein wrap. I found these at Aldi. So I have that toasting on that chicken and mozzarella that I put on a plate. I warmed up. Put it here like this. The pan looks dirty because I just made my husband his. 2 of them. A little bit of spring mix. And then I'm just gonna close it so it can all kind of cook together. And then I'll show you how I put it together. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna put it on my plate, and then I'll show you how I put it together. All right, so I have it on my plate now, and what I'm gonna do is just kind of fold it over like this. You see how the outside is like cooked now? Have this, which is a tzatziki yogurt dip. Put some on the top, almost like an enchilada. Get some cucumber. Put it across the top. That's what I'm gonna eat. Yummy. Want some, Cadence?
Not really. No.
Cadence is looking at it so disgusted. It's gonna be so good. Okay, so we just finished eating. I'm going to take a multi now. I already had my energy one earlier. I'm gonna take this. Then I'm going to make a tea. I'm gonna do some work. Alright, I'm gonna make some tea. Okay, I am about to take my super greens for the night, and then I'm gonna make my shake. I think I'm gonna do a pina colada shake tonight. We shall see. My super greens. Those are so good. I'm gonna make my shake so you can see what I'm making. Alright, I'm gonna drink my shake, edit this video. See y'all on the next video.